This is what came in the creation bag. We got these 2 pieces here that will, I guess, stack together. Tongs, a little container. You have to look at the instructions. This is what we're supposed to do. Let's do it.
Get started.
Okay.
Oops. Step 1. Step 2. Whoa. Step 3. Step 4.
All over.
Oh, wow.
I didn't have to use all of the sand, really. She is just packing it all up. Push. Is it ready? Should we put it in our fridge?
Yeah. Ta-da. We did it.
And this is how it turned out.